Hi guys, so I just wanted to jump on and do a quick little intro to this vlog because I realized that I haven't actually sat down and spoken to you about this, which I really wanted to. I really wanted to be at home and be able to talk about this while I'm cozy and really get into my feelings talking about it, but I just haven't had time. Life has been lifing lately, life has been crazy, so I'm here standing on the streets talking about it instead. So basically, I am on my way right now to a hair salon. I'm going to the Aveda hair salon in Covent Garden, and I am going in for a cut, a style, and a color. I know, and maybe that doesn't sound like it's so dramatic, but let me tell you, I have never ever in my life been to a hair salon. There's a reason why I have so many DIY haircut videos. It's literally because I have always cut my own hair. I've only ever trusted myself to cut my own hair. I have never had a cut in a salon. So yeah, basically I have kept my hair as natural as I possibly could for the last 5 years or so. I'm here at the salon now, and I thought I would just finish the intro because I've just found a bathroom, and I think this is going to be the only place that's quiet where I can kind of just talk to you guys. So yeah, basically I'd never been to a salon before, and over the past 5 years or so I have just felt such a strong attachment to my naturally black curly hair. It's been long, it's stayed long, I've never done an extreme cut, I've never even actually styled it. That's not true. I did I tried to attempt some of my own styles a few years ago, but I want to say for at least a good 4 years, I have not kind of done anything drastic with my hair. And it kind of got to a point where I was treating my hair as kind of a security blanket. I was putting a lot of my identity into my hair. It was kind of my business is kind of wrapped around my hair. I make so many videos about my hair and how I care for it, and I started to feel I would be unrecognizable if I didn't have my hair like this. I felt if I went to an event or something where I've been invited because of my YouTube channel and my videos and stuff, I kind of felt if I go with my hair down, people will recognize me, but if I go with my hair in a bun, maybe people won't recognize me. And maybe that was just in my head, maybe I wasn't giving myself enough credit, I don't know. But all I can say for sure is that I know that I was putting so much of my identity into my hair. So I don't know, I've been so scared to kind of do anything drastic or crazy. But yeah, I kind of was invited by Aveda to come along to the salon today, and I thought about it and I was like, do you know what, I think now is time. I have just wrapped up a huge project that I've been working on for a long time, and yeah, I just feel I am ready now. That's not really gonna make very much sense if you haven't watched my last videos. I'm gonna head in now.
So yeah, in terms of your skin tone, just think about your skin tone. So how are you feeling in terms of the warmth of the colour? So would you prefer it slightly cooler?
Slightly cooler, yeah. And I mean, I don't know really too much about how the tones work, but if we can keep it more olive, my skin, I just want to keep it quite conducive.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. So like I say, you're around a level 4 base, so we'd want to go up a few shades lighter than that. When you start to get to those lighter levels, that's when you start to see that coming underneath.
Right.
So we can add the tones,
yeah.
Inevitably it still will be warm if you're sitting around that.
Yeah.
So you either need to go quite a bit lighter,
yeah, and
then tone it,
yeah,
or obviously just try and control that warmth at that level,
yeah,
if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So if you don't, that would be very subtle.
Yeah.
With mixed in with your colour.
Yeah.
And then do you want a little bit of lightness added in as well, or would you prefer to stick to that colour with your natural?
So this colour running through it, right?
Yeah.
Mixed in with my natural colour.
Yeah.
And then so she had on like this, right?
Yeah.
So is that something you're able to do? Just
we can just do them really fine, I'd say.
Yeah.
Again, we don't want to have to bleach it really.
Yeah.
So we can use a high lift colour,
yeah,
which will lift it pretty light,
yeah,
and then again just keep it with the full tone. So it'll be that kind of colour, just slightly lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
so you can see the parts that we're colouring are in the foils and the parts that we're leaving out are out. Yeah, we're getting there. We've done the front, we're doing the back right now. I think I've been sitting here for about 2 hours. But yeah, it's going well. Leah's really lovely. I've got my Prosecco in hand. I'm just really excited now. Like, I'm just like really excited to see how it's going to turn out. Like, I don't know, I feel like we just jumped into it, and yeah, if I'd thought about it too much longer I might have chickened out, but no, we're doing it and I'm excited and I'm happy about it. Also, it's so festive in here, so we're having a little festive celebration. We've got the fireplace going up there, we've got Christmas songs going, there's mince pies up on the table. It's such a great time.
Deep mask. So I'm going to put this on now, so you've got like that added moisture for when I'm cutting it.
Okay.
Just so that it's just easier to work through. Just puts, you know, like in winter our hair just typically gets a little bit drier.
Yeah.
So even though you think like constantly like strengthen, you do need that balance.
Yeah. No, I love this mask. What's this one?
The EZ detangler.
EZ?
Well, I call it the EZ. I think it's actually pronounced easy.
Oh yeah. That would make more sense.
I'm like, you know, it's like the EZ.
No, it's good. I can feel it like.
No, yeah,
it's
like
good.
good.
Yeah. Easy.
Easy.
Okay, we're currently doing a final rinse. She's run off to get the leave-in conditioner. Know what leave-in conditioner is?
Yeah.
It's the Nutrifriend. It's just
Yeah.
Is it the deep one? Or
Yeah,
the light
the deep one.
Okay.
The deep leave-in treatment.
Yeah. I love that one as well.
Makes you feel really smooth up.
Yeah.
So it makes them really nice and defined, nourished.
This is the best seat in the house because you've got the fire right next to you. Those cold winter nights, yeah.
Hi everyone, so it's time to see how my hair turned out. So if you're ready, I'm ready. So let's take a look. So I've had a cut and I've had a full head of highlights. So my highlights are kind of this chocolatey colour and those are running all through my hair. And I've had a cut as well, so my curls are now here. Oh, that seems kind of short. They're now here when they're curly and it's still coming down pretty low when it's straight. So it's coming down kind of just like to the bottom of my rib cage. Whereas before, I remember it was literally down at my hip. I had about this much cut off, I think, which I think that's about 4 inches I had cut off. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a little bit of getting used to. I've had about 2 weeks to get used to this color. And the reason why there's a bit of a delay in me filming this part of the video is just because, you know, I would have wanted to film this in the salon, but I was there for way too long already. Like, I was there for 6 hours. My appointment was at 3 p.m. and I remember we were, you know, taking videos and things and talking, so we probably didn't get started until maybe like 3:30, and then at 9 p.m. at night we were still drying my hair, and I think the salon was closing and the music was off, and I was like, do you know what, it's okay, I'm gonna go home. I wanted to film this part of the video immediately after, but life has been lifing. I've been so busy, so I'm only just now able to film this part. And I think it's actually good that I'm filming it now, because now I'm kind of like used to my hair color, and yeah, I'm just like really happy with it. Whereas like when it first happened, I was like, you know, it was like a drastic change for me. Like, it doesn't, I guess it doesn't look that different, right? Like, it's still dark, which I'm happy about, but you just have to remember, like, I have not done anything with my hair for years. So for me, this was a big change. And I do see it looking kind of like copper in certain lights, but yeah, like, I'm getting used to it. and I really like how it looks in the daylight. I think Leah did an amazing job. So yeah, just to go back to the start of this video when I was talking about how I was so attached to my natural hair and I was placing so much my identity into my naturally black long curly hair. If you can relate to that, let me know in the comment section, because I don't know if it's just me who feels like that, but I guess our hairstyles can be so expressive, and I guess that's why they say that when a woman goes through some changes, she changes her hair, right? Like that's a thing. So for me, the biggest change was really that I wrapped up a huge project. So if you saw my video a couple of videos ago, you will know what that big project is. It was my curly hairstyles book. So yes, I just released a book all about curly hairstyles. It's packed full of tutorials for my favorite hairstyles, but I was working on that for a good 2 years, like a little bit more than 2 years, kind of like shooting and editing and writing and planning. I guess I kind of felt like I couldn't change my hair in that time because I wanted all the images in the book to look the same. So all of the images in the book all have me with black hair. And yeah, I don't know, maybe I just felt like I've wrapped up that big project and now it's time I can color my hair and I can be a bit more playful with it now. So I don't know, like it all kind of just feels like it's wrapped up perfectly, and I guess I'm just kind of like excited now to see what else I can do with my hair in future. I'm gonna leave all of the information for the Aveda salon in the description box down below, along with Leah's Instagram in case you just wanted to check out some more of her work. I'm also gonna leave the information for my book in the description box as well. Definitely check that out if you would like something to give as a gift, or if you would like something for yourself. That's gonna be everything from me. Remember to thumbs up this video if you liked it, subscribe and turn on your notifications. Hit me on Instagram if you want to see anything more from me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!